Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss the problem which you see in the screen. Let's start the topic. This usually happens when your laptop cannot find your hard drive or SSD to boot. Okay, so it try to boot from network. Sometime due to dust or some reason, laptop BIOS cannot find the hard drive, so it do not take from Windows from hard drive, so it showing this error. So if you disassemble the laptop, then clean the laptop whole with a cotton cloth, then I disassemble the all things and also battery, then put it and also I remove the RAM or hard drives and clean the whole things with a toothbrush. Okay, after complete this step, disassemble and assemble the computer. Try to restart. If your problem is not solved, then some steps I mentioned in the description you can find here. If you like the video, then like the video and comment and subscribe my channel.